What's good, YouTube? It's your boy back with another preset video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to sound like Osamason on Bandlab. This preset is not gonna be 100% accurate, but if y'all still want it, you can just click the link in my description and then save it to your library. And yeah, this is how the song sounds without the preset and with the preset on.
Getting money every day, every night. Tryna knock me out my grind. Money on my fucking mind. Bad bitch, yeah, she my kind. My diamonds, yeah, they gon' shine. Bitch, I flex, bitch, I flex. Bitch, I flex. Selling all that drink. Getting money every day, every night. What the fuck they tryna knock me out my grind? Money on my fucking mind. Bad bitch, yeah, she my kind. My diamonds, yeah, they gon' shine. Bitch, I flex, bitch, I flex. Bitch, I flex.
Alright, so that's it for today, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like this video, drop a like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, SoundCloud, and Twitter. And I'll catch you up in the next video. Goodbye.